We want to take Audi Sport to a whole new level. Our RS models are the spearheads of the Audi portfolio. They stand for performance, prestige, exceptional design and exclusivity.
This is already a really beautifully shaped car. When we're taking it to an RS, it's all about the flared arches. The most important thing is the single frame. In the case of the RS6, it's sitting a lot lower. We have the side air intakes that are huge to catch enough air in comparison to the A6. We are creating two-dimensional sketches, then basically transfer it three-dimensionally. This CAD data gets milled into one-to-one model that has been handcrafted, milled to every detail. This is there to create the perfect illusion what the car will look like on the street.
In addition to design, we are focusing on powertrain, suspension and drivability. Development tests take place in multiple countries, in all climate zones and weather conditions all over the world. We have a clear focus to develop our cars for all big markets all over the world. The Nürburgring Nordschleife plays a very special role for Audi Sport testing. All our RS models has to undergo more than 8,000 kilometer testing there. It helps us to focus on durability and drivability under very special conditions.
The car comes on a very high level, developed and driven by engineers already. And when I enter the car at a very late point of the development, they want to have my feedback as a professional race driver. We fine-tune the suspension here and there, maybe the steering feedback and these kind of things. At the end of the procedure, we found out that we've got a very reliable and very fast car, which is 100% Nordschleife reliable.
I believe our customers deserve the best products on market. Therefore, we have the best specialists and the best teams to meet these high expectations of our customers.
The individual parts for our vehicles are produced here in the press shop. In the press shop itself, we have about 230 tool sets that we use to produce about 130,000 individual parts each day.
We build 70 derivatives here on one production line. The plant systems were designed in such a way from the very beginning so that the RS6 and RS7 vehicles could also be built.
So the most important thing for us is, of course, the employees, since only with the help of the employees and with the additional 1,200 robots that are standing here can we produce these vehicles up to body shell status. The RS has more distinctive lines, has a more brawny look, and therefore also gets its own hang-on parts which we mount onto the body here. The employee in the eye of the employee is relevant for us for the quality. The surface of each vehicle is inspected to ensure that each vehicle here comes to the customer in top quality. During the marriage, the chassis and the body are wedded here. The car gets its heart, so to speak, the pulse, so that it can take to the road. The RS model have the largest engine here in the A6 and A7 model series. The 8-cylinder engine and correspondingly complex, because we have to complete 76 screw fittings here during the marriage so that the joining process can be done within 1 minute.
Every new model features state-of-the-art technology and has to meet, or better, to surpass the high expectations of our customers.
So the process at the Meisterbock is that we first assemble the parts at the Meisterbock. Then we measure them with high precision measurement technology, like laser scanners, which create millions of measurement points at once. And we look at the measurement reports and where there are the most deviations. And with those deviations, we meet with our internal and external partners and optimize the parts regarding their dimension so that the customer gets the quality that he appreciates from his Audi.
Our vision is to be at the forefront of technology and to be a prime example for modern leadership. We have a great brand, a great and a strong team and a clear focus at Audi Sport.
It motivates me personally to see what a great product we work on every day. Absolutely.
We accept no failures at all, and this is always the goal.
So it's really important us to set ourselves in the perspective of the customer and really get that Audi quality.
We are also looking forward to finally see it on the street.
High performance is not just limited to our products. It's a core belief which runs our whole company. RS-Modelle sind die dynamische Speerspitze ihrer jeweiligen Baureihe. Sie verbinden atemberaubendes Design, kompromisslose Top-Performance und ein emotionales Fahrerlebnis, nicht zuletzt aufgrund unseres serienmäßigen Quattro-Antriebs. RS-Modelle haben einen starken und einzigartigen Charakter. Spontane Höchstleistung, wo immer möglich und gewünscht, aber auch entspannte Souveränität auf langen Strecken und hohe Alltagstauglichkeit. High Performance gilt nicht nur für unsere Produkte. High Performance ist der Kerngedanke all unseres Handelns. Es ist der Motor, der unsere Firma antreibt. 2019 war ein ganz besonderes Jahr für Audi Sport. Wir haben 8 neue Modelle vorgestellt, davon 2 komplett neue RS-Modelle mit dem RSQ3 Sportback und dem RSQ8. Sie sehen alle 8 Modelle hier hinter mir aufgereiht. Dieser Anblick macht mich wirklich stolz. Stolz auf die hervorragenden Produkte, aber vor allem stolz auf die herausragende Leistung unseres Audi Sport Teams. RSQ3, RSQ3 Sportback, RS4 Avant, RS5 Coupé, RS5 Sportback, RS6 Avant, RS7 Sportback und der RSQ8. So viele Modelle gab es noch nie in der Geschichte in unserem RS-Portfolio. Wir verfolgen eine konsequente Elektrifizierungsstrategie auch im High-Performance-Segment. Das ist die Grundlage für die Zukunftsfähigkeit unseres Portfolios und bietet unseren Kunden eine ganz neue Dimension für ein sportliches Fahrerlebnis. Schon heute haben RS6 Avant, RS7 Sportback und der RSQ8 als Mild-Hybride mit 48 Volt Bordnetz einen elektrifizierten Antriebsstrang. Ein Fahrzeug, auf das ich mich ganz besonders freue, werden wir nächstes Jahr bringen. Mit dem Audi e-tron GT werden wir unser erstes vollelektrisches Modell auf den Markt bringen. Mit diesem Fahrzeug heben wir unser Portfolio auf das nächste Level. Our RS models are the dynamic spearheads of their model lines. They are characterized by stunning design, uncompromising top performance coupled with high everyday usability and a thrilling driving experience. RS models are really unique. On-demand high performance when and wherever possible, combined with effortless performance and everyday usability. High performance does not only apply to our products. High performance is a core belief that powers everything we do. The engine that drives our company. 2019 was a very special year for Audi Sport. We introduced 8 new products, 2 of which are completely new RS models, the RS Q3 Sportback and the RS Q8. You can see all 8 models behind me, and just looking at them makes me really proud. Proud of the product lineup and proud of the outstanding performance of our entire team. RS Q3, RS Q3 Sportback, the RS4 Avant, RS5 Coupe and the RS5 Sportback, the RS6 Avant, the RS7 Sportback and the RS Q8. We have never had so many models in the RS portfolio before. We have a consistent electrification strategy for the high-performance segment. This is the basis for the future viability of our portfolio and offers our customers a completely new dimension to their sporty driving experience. Even today, the RS6 Avant, RS7 Sportback and RS Q8 have an electrified powertrain with 48-volt mild hybrid technology. And with the Audi e-tron GT, we will launch our first fully electric high-performance car next year. We truly take our portfolio to the next level.